So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to backup messages in WhatsApp. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, you need to open your WhatsApp and click on the three dots. Go to settings and here you can see chats. Just click on it. And here you can see chat backup. In chat backup, click on the backup button to backup all your messages at once. So this is how you can backup WhatsApp messages in less than 1 minute. Thank you for watching.